Morning, everyone. It's Thursday morning, 8:58, and since it's Thursday, it's claims day. And this week they went in the wrong direction. Continuing claims wasn't bad. It was only up a little, 5,757,000. But initial claims jumped from the 5 handle to the 6 handle to the 7 handle, and last was 853,000. So not only this week is it a large number historically, it also is a big increase. We also had CPI, which came in at just about double what was expected, came in at up 0.2% versus 0.1% last month, and expectations for this month. SpaceX had an explosion on the landing of their prototype Starship. Better to happen now, I assume. They were only giving it a 30% chance of being successful as it was, so kind of just in the process. The UK and the ECB are leaving rates unchanged, but they are adding more stimulus, and they have meetings the rest of this week and this weekend on the Brexit trade agreement. So, as I said, rates unchanged, more stimulus, Brexit issues. Stocks, in fact, though, are up in Europe and the UK, and Asia is down a little. One of the Asian stocks that is bucking that trend is SoftBank, which has come down pretty substantially in the last 6 or 8 months, but got a major infusion through the IPO of DoorDash, in which they had a very big stake and a very early stake. Greenwich Lab, GSLI, I mentioned this yesterday as an outstanding deal. This is a biotech that has made some amazing strides forward in breast cancer. According to what the company said, they had a 0 rate. That's right, a 0 rate of reoccurrence in 5 years, in a fairly substantial, both number-wise and time-wise, trial that they've been running. The stock yesterday moved up to close. I believe the regular market close was about 57, which was up 52. And in late trade, it was up an additional 15 or 20 bucks. This morning is showing up $33. I mean, this is a massive move forward, and so we'll see just how far this one can go. Excuse me. Pre-opening was not much changed until the claims news and the CPI news came out, and the Dow futures looked to open down about 104, 105. Excuse me, when I got to my desk this morning, we were talking about barely changed, 15, 20 bucks. The S&Ps are down about 18, and the NASDAQ, which has been the loss leader the last couple of days, is down about 100, actually 92. So, excuse me, that's where we are this morning. The chart on the screen is oil, and it looks like it's trying to break out. The close that we had here on the high day was 46.26. Right now, we're trading 46.19. A close above that would be, as far as I'm concerned, a break to the upside. So looking pretty good there. In the rest of the futures, let's take a quick look. As I said, oil up 67, nat gas pretty much unchanged, gold up $9, silver up 26 cents, platinum roaring higher again, up 17 and a half, and palladium up almost 30. The S&P and NASDAQ and Dow I already brought, and the dollar is again lower. You know, every day it gets to look more and more like the dollar is going to seriously break. This is a little bear flag, and if we come down out of that, right now, as I said, we're down about 18 cents at 90.90. The 5 days ago, the low was 90.47. So we'll have to see whether we hold there or whether we move higher. And Bitcoin is really sort of stuck here. I used the expression or the old adage that you never sell a quiet market after a decline. And frankly, that's why we got in here after this very quiet market, after the decline from 20,000. And going back a little further, I'll show you what else. So here we were in the 10,000 area, and we look like we're trying to have a little consolidation here, which would really be impressive considering where the price is up here at 18,500. But we hit this 20-day yesterday, went through it, and then came back and closed above it. We closed below it with this purple line, which is the 5-day. If we get across there, I'm going to guess we'll be looking at 16,000. All right, everyone, have a good day. I'll be back later.